morning. We are off to the train station. A train ride to New York. The heart of New York during the playoffs when they just won the game on the 11th. 11th? Yeah. 12th? What day was that where they won their third game? Whatever day that is, this is the day we're heading to New York to a film festival. The big boy is driving us to the train station. Thank you for the ride. See you in a few days. Take care of the brothers. The Lord is with him. He says we're leaving for the train station from 8 o'clock. And we just got here at... You know what? The Lord is with these people, so I'm not going to worry about it. Now it's leaving at 10:31. Let me show you all. Okay. All right. So long as we have our ticket. Just small bags. Can we just keep them with us? Yeah. All right. Is it a full train?
Most likely.
Really?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay.
A lot of people use the train nowadays.
Okay, fair enough. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, bye-bye. I don't know if you can see how many bags he has. I should do better at helping pack, but I was trying to pack my own stuff. I don't know. I'll be a better wife next time. Babe, how long a train ride is it?
9 hours?
Who?
9 or 10 hours?
9 or 10 hours? Really? Holy crap. I had no idea we were going to be on the train for that long. 9 or 10 hours? Hopefully, is a slight exaggeration. I am actually doing a little bit of a fast because I would just been eating everything known to man this whole week. I think I put on a pound or two too also. But anyway, because of that, I'm just eating some apples and nuts today. So, just walking around. Let me show you all around. Okay, looks like there's a deli in here. You can buy stuff to eat. This is my second time coming here. I think I did a vlog before here, if I'm not mistaken. I had dropped the boys off to go to their grandparents in Charlotte. Oh, wow. Look at this. They have such cute little sitting areas. Hold on. Have a seat, Denise. Just chill. Maybe I should get the husbandman to come sit up here with me. That is exactly the sound of me getting up from a seated position. Dirty girls, my knees are trash. Y'all know it. I know it. We're not gonna fool anybody. Let's keep looking around. If I'm not mistaken, I think they have events here. Once I get up to the top of the stairs, I'll show y'all how beautiful this place is. Oh my. Oh yeah. I know they must have events here. They're like a beautiful rooftop area. Look at that. There's flowers, black eye Susans, and the purple version of the black eye Susans. I don't know what those are called. Are they called echinacea? Is that what those things are called? We'll go in the other direction and see downtown Raleigh. fit check. I don't see if you can see it up closely. I have a mustard yellow top, like my white shirt thrown around my waist because it's probably gonna be cold. This is a orangey red linen skirt, gladiator sandals, and a headscarf. Yep, that's the fit. I do have a black belt on here, but quite honestly, what's its point at this? I don't even think it's necessary. I just put it on. Okay, so long outdoors. Train now at 10:46. Breakfast. Yes, I'm a weirdo. I eat the entire apple seeds and all. All I don't eat is the stem. Let's be honest, I have tried before. I just never was able to chew it enough to be able to swallow it. It's just too tough and too hard. Girl needs her fiber. And apparently the seeds, I read somewhere. Y'all know I be reading these strange things and thinking it's true. Or no, not like I think it's true. Like, it's not gonna hurt me to try it. I read somewhere that the seeds in an apple have some anti-cancer agents in it. So anyway, I came outside because there's an observation deck for the train station, and I wanted to check it out. Another one on the other side. See it? More beautiful flowers. Another beautiful view of Raleigh, and blowing air condition behind me. Let me see what's this way. You can walk all the way down here, like you're walking towards Raleigh. That's where I was. Now I'm down at the bottom. Oh, I'm going back in. Oh, another train track here. Off into the distance. Raleigh. They must have events here. I'm gonna ask them. There's a downstairs. Before we go ask them about the event thing, let's go see what's downstairs. We just left the main level and we're heading down. It's so cool. Ah. Welcome to Union Station. Oh, they do have events. See? They have. I knew it. It is too pretty for them not to have events here. It is gorgeous. Where is that Lover's Rule? Where is that? I don't know. Where is that particular? Here's a little history. Let's take the elevators. Why not? See all the pictures? The stuff that happens? How they set it up? Where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? Whatever. Let's just go back up to the regular floor. Main? I'm guessing the main floor right there. Let's just go to that. Dancing shadow. Even the trash cans are super cute. Look at that. This. train's here. Thanks. Slowly making our way to the train, the escalators up to the platform. I wonder how many cars it's gonna have on it. Y'all know I'm a question asker. He says it's gonna come from that direction. Not that way, that way. I can face the world. Whoa, they've got the tunes, the 80s tunes jamming out here on the plane platform, the train platform. When I see you smile, I see a ray of light. You know, there was a reggae remix to that. What was the name of that guy? I can't remember. If you all remember who sang the remix, let me know in the comment section. Oh, wow. My husband just pointed out that those are apartments, right?
Everybody will be boarding up here. I have no space at this time.
Oh. Everybody is boarding up there. It has no space at this end, she said.
This door is only from Washington, D.C.
She said to come up here. Where do we go then?
What did they say that one was for?
I don't know. She said Washington, D.C. and any parts of North Carolina. Where do we get on then?
They're sending you that way.
They said, where's New York?
All the way that way.
But they told us there's no room.
You gotta open the door and get in the door.
She,
What did he say?
does anybody know? We have gone back and forth on this platform. No, you can't come through this door. No, go through that door. How are we supposed to enter this train? Are we in the correct line to board the train? Yeah. That's crazy. We'll see. We've done walk back and forth on this platform 3 times. Oh.
Anybody else traveling together? Anybody else traveling together?
Yes. Come, babe. We're traveling together. They asked us to come to the front if we're traveling together. It's very interesting. So it's like a free-for-all. You just have to get in where you fit in, I guess. Maybe there are more seats. Maybe there are more seats further up.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that are seated, please take your belongings off the seat next to you. If you're laying down, please sit up. Allow passengers to get a seat. We have people walking up and down looking for seats. We are sold out today, ladies and gentlemen. We are sold out today. Everybody's trying to get to their destination. Let's be kind. Take your belongings off that seat. Allow passengers to get a seat. Thank you again.
We're pulling off now. Slowly. Slowly moving.
So once again, one ticket, one seat. Please do not move your seat if you was not told to move your seat. These restrooms are your restrooms for the duration of the trip. Please respect them. Please close the door when you are finished so the fumes inside of the restroom does not linger inside of the coach car. Please respect these restrooms. These restrooms are your restrooms for the duration of the trip. Please be respectful to the next person that comes behind you. Thank you.
The cafe card, key 1 and 3 for 3 points of contact, debit for balance, and use cash already provided for you for slippage in the vestibule. We accept all major credit cards, including gift cards. We accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and of course, we accept that money, all American dollars, that legal tender. Yes, we do accept cash.
Apparently there's a cafe card.
Once again, cafe card is not office space, ladies and gentlemen. If you sit there in your computer,
It's not office space.
and someone wants to eat or drink in that space, I will sit them across from you. And if that doesn't suffice for you, your office space will be your seating accommodation. Once again, cafe card is not a baggage car as well. Please leave your big bags in your seating where you're seated at, above you, or in the luggage rack. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for you. Sit back and relax. Northbound Carolinian, en route to New York, Monahan Penn Station. Cafe cards open and serving. Next station stop is Selma Smithfield.
Okay, so did you all see that? We were going like back and forth on the platform. One person at one end said, no, you can't come through this card. The other person's like, no, walk all the way down that end, walk all the way down there. No, this is not where you enter. Go back. We went back and forth. Finally, they're like, yeah, if you're traveling with people, get in the line. We did. We got in the line. Finally got on the train. There's no seats together. My husband is sitting across from me. I'm sitting here. Fortunately, we got these aisle seats. There he is. Yeah, we're like right across the aisle from each other. But there are people that are traveling together that I don't know what's become of them. There was a mother-daughter. They went that way trying to find something together. I hope they found something. Gotta sit with your baby. Anywho, we're on this train heading to New York. I'll check in every hour, I guess, right? I'll show you the time at the top of every hour. Keep in mind, my watch is set on the other time zone. Is it daylight saving time or Eastern Standard Time? Whatever it is, it's an hour behind. So technically, it's now 11:11. I just asked the conductor how long it takes to get to New York. He told me forever.
I'll tell you, hold on one second.
Okay. He just doesn't want me to. Well, I appreciate your. Yeah. He got jokes. I appreciate your
You're
jokes.
looking around about 8:30.
8:30 we'll get there?
If all goes well.
If all goes well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't act. Take a nap.
Well, yes, I'm going to write my memoirs.
There you go. 9 hours to do it.
Okay, you heard the man. We'll get there at 8:30. Got 9 hours. So the husband man was spot on. First stop, let somebody off at Smithfield, I think. No, Selma. What am I? I forgot I was supposed to be updating you all every hour. Got it. This is hour 1. Push to open. Oh.
We'll reopen on now. Pick cafe card now. Close. I take my afternoon meal break. Thank you.
Well, everybody's got to eat. He's on his meal break. Let me see what we have. He's coming back.
Sir,
Sir.
I'll take you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'll take whoever's up here.
That's okay. I'm trying to see what you got.
The mother-daughter duo just passed, and they were able to get a seat together. I knew it would happen. feeling very Dr. Zhivago-ish. Have y'all ever watched Dr. Zhivago? One of my all-time favorite movies. There's some trains involved, although there's some circumstances on the train a little different. They were packed deep, no toilet, just straw, a whole bunch of mess. Go watch it. It's an old movie. Thought y'all may want to see what the toilet looked like before it gets too bad with all these people. I do have to pee, so excuse me. It feels weird to be walking in the opposite direction of where the vehicle is moving. Swampland. Still here. Silly me for how am I vlogging and not carrying my phone? They had a door open and I stepped out onto the platform and hopped back into the train like I was train hopping or something. Went back to get my phone and they closed the door.
You want me to take? Oh.
But honestly, he's watching him. He fell asleep.
We depart Washington, D.C.
The train's beside us. More people. Somebody's over there sleeping. Oh, he's over here talking. The train has stopped in DC and we're just outside on the platform. They're gonna change the engine. They're changing from electric to diesel or diesel to electric. I can't remember which one, but they're switching it over. make sure they don't leave me behind. I'm sure it would take a little while for them to fully do everything, but let me hurry up and get back on my train. Oh, here I am.
That's good because number 10.
The dining cart is empty. I don't know why in here smell a little like weed. Hi, Lila. We've got a dog passenger. He's riding the train. Hi, baby. Are you enjoying it? I think to the end of the train. Luggage compartment. Let's go back. Look what we're beside, babe.
Downtown Newark, New Jersey, Newark Penn Station, Newark, New Jersey, now arriving.
Across the bridge now. You can see it.
And do not leave anything aboard this train. If you do so, good for repair.
We're here.
Leave Moynihan Station, baggage lane, step off, make a right. Focus. Train gotta go all the way east. Doors closed, and not leaving crack. The engine is losing power. Again, all doors closed until the train.
I'm confused. He said the engine is losing power. I guess whatever engine can only take us halfway. I'm just postulating here. It only takes you part the way. That's why they had to switch it midway. And this one is just enough juice to take us to New York. Well, I guess the engine only had enough juice to take us from wherever they switched it to here. That's all. All right. Engine's about to die. We're gonna have to get out and push. I nearly fell getting on these escalators. I need to clean off my... No wonder the thing. I have to clean off my screen.
Right, we're going.
New York! We made it to New York. Train ride's over. We're gonna head to the hotel. Thank you all for traveling with me. Yeah. Thank you for traveling with me. Yeah, this is Madison Square Garden. They're right here. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with me, us on the train ride. Subscribe, like. If you ever miss me, I'm always on Instagram. You can always find me on Instagram. And let's see what time it is now. Hold on. We're up in the sky. Up in the sky. Are you sleeping? We made it. We're in New York. Just the height. I don't know. Something about being all the way up in the sky like this. Sometimes I get it. Down there. What's over there? Well, we're here. Train ride's over. We're in the hotel room. I will put clips of the North Film Festival. That's why we're here. My husband entered our movie that I made. If y'all have been around long enough, you know that I made a TV show, and he entered it into the North Film Festival, and that's why we're here. You can tune into Instagram to see highlights of that. Otherwise, good night. It's time to sleep. Yeah, I guess. They're gonna go to the
Intrepid Museum?
Well, I just happen to be in the heart of it.